You reap what you sow. Fact or fiction? You need a moment to think? That's a fact. Everybody knows that. Welcome to my crypto and trading video course. You reap what you sow. Trading is just like the same thing. You just need to know when to plant your seeds for the best results. Okay, that's nothing new there. If you can click a mouse, you can make money in my system. No trading bots, no MLM, no referrals required, no license fees or monthly fees. Get paid 24/7, instantly, anytime, anywhere. And all you need is internet connection and a mobile device. How to make 99.99% daily returns with my crypto trading video course. No way, Jose, I totally get you. No, that's not true. That's impossible. The most you get is 1%. Really? Guys, here is what just 8 cryptocurrencies did over the last 2 to 18 months. Bitcoin in the last 18 months plus 2,500%. Ethereum in the last 8 months, the best performing crypto for 2017, plus 3,000%. Ripple in the last 12 months, 4,218%. Litecoin in the last 7 months, 883%. Dash in the last 8 months, 2,410%. Omisago in the last 8 months, 800%. Monero in the last 6 months, 2,843%. Dogecoin in the last 4 months, 810%. In other words, if you had put just $100 in each of these coins in the last 2 to 18 months and simply did nothing else, just forgot about them, today your investment would have grown to $17,464. A stake of 500 in each, you would have now grown to $87,320. And a stake of 1,000 in each. And again, even if you simply did nothing and forgot about them, you already have been up to the tune of $174,640. So if you invested in any trading bot, MLM, Ponzi or a mining scheme and pay a monthly fee for 1% daily returns, then I get it. I completely get it, okay? How much of an idiot are you? Well done. With all this profit, at least you are an action taker. If you can click a mouse, you can make money in my system. No trading bots, no MLM, no referrals required, no license fees or monthly fees. Get paid 24/7, instantly, anytime, anywhere. Interested? Yes. To get your free videos, go to gmlbusinesspro.com.